All right, guys. So the rod got stuck, right? A lot of the times when you go to strike it, it gets stuck, and a lot of guys they try to break it off with their stinger, and that's kind of where you go wrong, because then you're destroying the rod. If you just break arc and pull your stinger off and leave the rod there, you can actually come back to that rod and just kind of wiggle a little bit and then break it forward, and you won't lose any of that flux. And then you can restrike that rod. Watch, I'm going to show you. I'm going to restrike that rod. Yeah, and you won't even worry about that, because I'll fire up and I'll come back and I'll burn it out. Here you go. Here it is. There, see, it happened again. It's a good example, guys. And again, the rod's still good, so I can still use it. All right, this time I'm going to try to use both my hands so I don't stick it. Now you saw I dragged it way down and then I dragged it back up so I could burn out all that trash. Trust me, it's hot. We're really hot. We're only running 1/8 rod, but it's hot. I didn't grind my start where I started because it was a good one. Bam, there's my tie-in. That's just my flush. Just flushed out real quick. I'm just flushed out. See, that's the flush. So I'm flushed out now. Now I'll come back and I'll cap it. And I'll cap it with the same rod on the same heat. This is 1/8 rod. I got it set at 131 amps. 131 amps I'm running it. All right, that's good. Peace out, guys.